guys, Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. So this is my new hair right now. I was distracted with my hair. I don't know if you like it or not. Just tell me down below. But anyway, right now I'm here sa Teleperformance. I'm super excited because this is a collaboration and I'm so happy because I will be a part of their campaign because it's Women's Month, which is March Women's Month. So because they are employees eccentric, they take care of their employees. Today will be a pampering day for their employees, and because they care, one way of showing that, so they're going to give pampering session to their employees. I'm super excited because I was assigned to do the kilay. You know, kilay is life. Yes. Today, hindi ako ganang nagkilay, but then, okay na yan. I don't know if you can see it. Yes. Magkikilay ako today sa mga employees ng Teleperformance. And I'm super happy being a part of that. Charot. So, pasensya na. We're going to visit there. Merong briefing and I'm super happy kasi this is one of a kind. I was invited by Sir Jesson Morata and super excited for this.
Portion of the amount goes to our charity, which is the COTW, Citizen of the World, and then we have partner institutions where these actually our beneficiaries, the beneficiaries of the proceeds that goes to our charity. To name a few, we have the Kite Foundation and Gasa Sagugma, and also the Children of Cebu Foundation. There are regulars. Aside from that, we do also partner with Gawad Kalinga. We help build schools and houses in the different parts of the country.
Girls, mga females they are entitled for the free pamper booth, manicure, pedicure, haircut, eyebrow shaping. So nasa may hair trimming and massage. In a nutshell, namin pa free sa among mga employees, sa mga TP female employees lang.
So ready na kami magkilay and all, and we're here for a pampering sesh for Teleperformance employees, which is for a Women's Month. So, laban na again. What's your name? Randala, what's your FB page?
Beauty by Randala.
Wow,
Yeah,
so
that's my...
hair and makeup with you.
Yes.
Do you happen to have mga assistant?
Yes. Naraman sa routine.
Wow, laisyo. Karon pa may nagkita actually, guys, and I'm super happy kinaday ko yung mga ubang-kauban. So, we're going to check them out. Some of them are stationed there, and my things are here. Wala ko yung ring light. Good luck. So, they're assigned, guys, for mga manicures. Ready na sila? Ready na mo, ate? For manicure?
Ready na.
Ready na. Adya na.
Ready na mi, ma'am.
Ready na, Jodo.
Ready na.
Pila man ni, Good luck, ate. We're daghan dun mo i-handle ka. So, guys, magkilay ko ni Mias. What's your name?
My name?
Yeah.
Janet.
Miss Janet. So, magkilay ni Ron. So, before, mo na yung kilay. And then, after, maglimpyo rami. And then, we're done, guys.
May nilearn ako din, bro.
What's your name?
Faye.
Miss Faye. So, Miss Faye ang husband. Next, guys, is Miss Faye. Next client will be Miss. Hello, Miss. Beauty. Hi. Next. So, mo na yung kilay. Laban.
Laban.
Ordan sa ating mga kilay,
Glowing. Sige na, tinan ko. Hindi kami so mag-live na ng time. Laban ng jutan.
Samantha is on the chair right now. So, siya akong next na client. Baka kayo, mas taas siya kaya na ko. Hi!
Close eyes naman yung kaniya. Close eyes ko no. Close eyes, dili magkuhan. Ayun lang kayo naman.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So guys, I'm done here. hanggang ako sa tail and the lower part sa upper. So nakalimot ko. So much. What's your name po?
Christine.
Christine. Ma'am Christine, thank you.
Thank you.
What's your name there?
Leslie.
Ano yung kilay, guys? Let me see. So guys, ubay-ubay na sa dangamong na handle. Grabe. Lights dire. So ubay-ubay na mong na handle and then kapoy na guys. But then, laban. Hi. What's your name then?
Hi, Riza.
Riza. So she's my next client. Riza. Hello guys, nagtabibi na ko. I'm on break, pero gwapa lang gyapon, no? Char. Samok-samok kong Sir Jesson. Mukha ang sako. Mawalay siya. Busy kaayo ang life. Oh, Dora. Hi, what's your name?
Dovey. Hi.
Away.
Hi. Yes. Very. As long as wala yung plus ang iba people.
What's your name?
Hi, my name is Syra. It's a vlog there.
Kayo. Cute kayo, guys. Hi! Cute kayo nga ba eh.
Kapag sa'yo, tabihan kayo.
Okay, appeal mo na siya. So guys, nag-rest ako but then mungadto ko sa Pampering Sesh area kay as in tsada kay dahan kay tao. Massage area. Kumusta mate?
Okay ra.
How was the feeling, gang? Nice enjoy and schedule.
Enjoy ka free.
Yes. One. What's our next thing we have?
Pedicure. And manicure later. Hi guys!
Here at Teleperformance, we always value the role of women in the workplace. So we have this kind of event, we have this kind of activity where we give due importance to our women workers. Not only the leaders, but also, most especially the employees.
Yes.
We pamper them for even just a couple of hours. We give different kinds of services. We have our haircut.
Lagi.
We have our nail polishing, right? So
Super na
yeah,
kayo. Super na pampered.
exactly.
As in, naiuban nga gi-avail yun nila tanan.
Always Teleperformance. We always promote Teleperformance as a great place to work.
Yeah.
So check out our recruitment centers in Teleperformance Cebu Insular and Teleperformance Cebu IT Park.
So if mga apply sila, they would love to work. Mudra-sura sila diri or namoy.
Yes, we have our recruitment hubs, and our personnel there will be very happy to entertain you.
Hey, guys, check them out, guys. And then, for example, kuya, if mga fly, sayon ra ba ang mga ano? Is it easy?
So as long as you have the passion to
Passionate.
work in the BPO industry, the BPO industry just gives you lots of opportunities to grow professionally, and also it will give you an opportunity to explore other things.
Yes, because there's a mentality na if you're at the call center, murag dili na daw ka mo-grow. That's a
No,
notion.
that's
Unsa man?
it's a misnomer.
Misnomer. Yeah, sure. Okay. Nasa sila yung photo booth, guys. Awa. Nag-photo booth may earlier, actually. Asan na? Yeah!
Sige. Basta di ko matanaw.
It's a wrap, guys! Grabe. Kapoy siya pero fulfilling kasi ang dami naming na mga babae na kilayan. And you will really see their faces na satisfied sila. And it's good, no, na parati kang sinasabihan na thank you, ang ganda ng kilay ko. So, kilay is life. So, one of the assets yun ng mga girls na pagtingin mo palang, maganda na yung kilay. So, maganda na yan. Tapos, mascara and konting blush on, okay na yan. And right now, I'm here sa office para ni Sir Jason. We're going home, guys, and it's a wrap. Thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate as well your love and support by liking and sharing this video. And by the way, guys, please check Teleperformance company, BPO company, and check their website, their Facebook page. I'm going to place the link on the description box so that you can check them out. Madaming hiring, and if ever you're interested to enter the BPO world, and if you're here in Cebu, you can visit them anytime and ask and inquire kung pwede ba kayo dito. And everybody's welcome. So come and join them. So bye-bye for now. See you soon. Saranghe!